Hi guys, my name's Callum.
My name is Adam.
I'm Ben.
And welcome to Naturescope.
So, a little bit about me. I'm Ben, and from a very young age, I've been absolutely avid and passionate about wildlife of all forms, but particularly aquatic wildlife. At a young age, I was taken fishing with my parents and grandparents, and that really sparked my imagination. These animals that wouldn't be possible to see on the normal circumstance, but through fishing, you could get them out of the water and have a look at them. And so many species to be found alone in the UK. And from that really fueled my education going forward. I focused very much on biology and natural sciences and natural history, and that led me to where I am now. I've been to university and done marine and freshwater biology, and I'm now working at a science institute as a fish research technician. Dream job.
I think being outdoors is just a huge part of everyone's lives. Ever since I was a kid, I can remember coming out to places like this and just being amazed at what's out there. And I think 2020 and the early stages of 2021 have really highlighted how important it is to be outdoors, and it also highlighted my love for being outdoors and everything that goes on there. I love it. I'm a marine biologist primarily, with a degree in marine and freshwater biology from Aberystwyth University and a master's in tropical marine biology from the University of Essex.
So I'm a marine and freshwater MBio or integrated master's student at Aberystwyth University. I haven't really got a point where my passion started, to be honest. It's probably one of those cheesy lines in which I say that I've always loved nature. It's been one of those things from a very young age, from building my first pond to going to my first pond dipping session, all the way through to me and my dad going fishing when I was younger, and then all the way to the point where then I could actually learn to scuba dive, and then from on then my passion progressed even more and more for the natural world. And then recently I've just got into wildlife photography and underwater photography, and also now filming wildlife as well in the natural habitat, in order to show the natural habitat to everyone really out there who can't particularly go to an area such as the Oasis where I'm at now, due to the fact that they live near a city, but also to show people that even if you live by a city, there's actually always some little nooks and crannies that you can find out there where the animals are finding refuge, or little refuges. For example, I live a couple of miles off of Cambridge, and this hill right here is all the beautiful area around that.
Nature gives me a break from the everyday, whether it be your job, what you're working on, university, school, whatever it is. Just being outdoors, coming out for a simple walk, it's really important to do that because it clears your mind, and it just makes you appreciate everything a little bit more. And unfortunately, it might not be around for much longer.
The natural world has always been important to me. The reason for that is simply just because it is so important to the planet. You have various different ecosystems that are throughout the terrestrial side, the marine side, the freshwater side, and everything coincides together. If one thing goes out of balance, the whole thing goes out of balance. And we've got to realise that what we are doing right now is we are having a detrimental impact on these systems, from being something that you don't seem so significant, like throwing something away when it should have gone to recycle, that can have a huge impact on the natural world. Looking at the heat waves that are going on, bleaching of the coral, the countless amounts of sharks that are being needlessly killed, sometimes whether that be out of culling or actually due to fins. Overfishing, just seeing the amount of fish in which we all consume, which is fine, just there needs to be a point where it has to be sustainable. If it's not sustainable, that's when we start to run into problems. That's when you start to have the larger impacts, such as the larger marine animals that rely on these becoming endangered and sometimes unfortunately extinct.
The natural world is really important to me because we are part of it. Our planet sits on the Goldilocks zone. Seemingly, we're alone in the galaxy. And it's a miracle that life even exists on this planet. But even though it's a miracle that life has sprouted on our planet, it can be seen everywhere you look. Be it the large animals we have roaming around, including ourselves, the plants and trees and vegetation that inhabits the land and the water, the smaller organisms, insects and crustaceans that not only inhabit the forest floors and those sort of terrestrial environments, but smaller crustaceans that inhabit the water, and even smaller microorganisms that can live in a single drop of water. And even the soil that our grass and our plants grow from is living, full of microorganisms that break down biological products into minerals and nutrients, which then nourishes the plants. And it's a massive chain, what most people know as a food chain, but it's more than that. It's a large biological system. And we're part of that system, and I think it's very easy as humans to forget that.
So, what you might expect from us. So, we're a group of friends who love sharing the natural wonders of the planet to everyone. We love saving it, and we also love watching it. And so what we will show you is we will show you our favourite spots. We'll take you on various different excursions and journeys, showing you all the wonders that the world has to offer, whether it be from fishing videos to just nature walks and rock pooling, to also I might take you on some underwater adventures as well, where we will look at some of the creatures that you might find below our local lakes and river systems, as well as the ocean. And so just stay tuned and keep your eye out on for those, because I can guarantee you we will try and find some amazing stuff.
Me personally, I've got some hiking and wild camping videos planned. Whenever I'm allowed to do so, I'm hoping to get out and travel all across Britain to show you guys some of the amazing areas of natural beauty that the United Kingdom has to offer.
We want to go across all of nature, the natural world. We want to film in scenic locations, capturing nature's beauty, look at wildlife, so flora and fauna, plants and animals, focusing on those animals as and when we find them or discover them or go out searching for them. And I think it's really key to capture all aspects of nature and bring it on screen for the enjoyment of yourselves.
So I'm really looking forward to this adventure that we're going on. I hope that you guys do as well while you're watching us. And just remember, keep safe out there at the moment. And when you're on your daily walks and exercise, just keep an eye out and you may be surprised at what you might find around your local area. But for now, thank you for watching Naturescope. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell, and also give us a like. For now, thank you very much.
We can't wait to show you all the amazing videos we've got planned over the next few months.